Meaning of first ever.
First ever.
First ever.
First ever.
First ever. First ever describes something that has never been done or achieved before. It is often used to emphasize the significance of a particular accomplishment, milestone, or event. For instance, the first ever human flight took place in 1783, when the Montgolfier brothers successfully launched their hot air balloon. Similarly, the first ever Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. Using the term first ever helps to highlight the groundbreaking nature of such achievements and how they have contributed to our understanding of the world around us.